there, superstar. I am here to light up your day with positivity and give you a few practical tips to transform your life. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Now, if you are looking to take your confidence to the next level, make sure you download the free guide in the description below. It's going to give you even more tips to boost your confidence instantaneously. Now, are you ready to feel unstoppable? Let's dive in. Tip number 1, switch up your style. Oh, now we're talking. Ever notice how wearing something new or different can instantly shift your mood? That's because when we change up our look, we're actually shifting our mental perspective too. Yes, fashion can be fun, but it can also be transformative. It's not just about changing up your look, it's about expressing new parts of you as well. So throw on that outfit you've been saving or experiment with a new hairstyle. It's all about expressing your unique self and feeling great in your skin. And remember, this is not about following a trend. It's about setting your own style. So what style choice can you make today that reflects the amazing person that you are? Moving on to tip number 2, listen to an empowering song. Music has the power to motivate and inspire, and it can turn our entire day around. So what's your anthem? What's that song that makes you feel like you can conquer anything? Find it, play it, and let it lift you up. Better yet, build an entire playlist of songs that get you pumped up and ready to go. That way you'll have a whole list of songs to elevate your spirit and supercharge your confidence. And make the music your motivational coach. Whether it's powering through a workout or amping up for a big event, let those tunes remind you of your own greatness. And here is tip number 3. Remember what you've achieved before. Take a moment right now, yes, right now, to think of a time in your life where you felt proud of yourself. Now hold on to that feeling. Let it sink in. And better yet, write a list of all of the times that you've felt proud of yourself in your life, whether they're big or small. It could be something as simple as cooking a healthy meal or running a marathon. This list becomes your go-to when you need a reminder of how incredible you are. And keep the journal handy, because whenever you're feeling down, you can flip through it and remind yourself of your strength and your successes. It's like having a highlight reel of your personal best. And there you have it, my friend. 3 powerful tips to give your confidence an immediate boost. And don't forget, for even more tips, to download the free Instant Confidence Guide in the description below. It is your first step towards feeling more empowered every day. And if you love these tips, check out this video where I'm going to share even more secrets to grow your confidence even faster, and you are not going to want to miss it. Until next time, keep shining bright and remember that you are one of a kind and absolutely worth it.